We already learned how to find out average. Average is also known as arithmetic mean. The average is called as arithmetic mean or simply mean in statistical language. Means we find out any average or average of any numbers. That average is called as arithmetic mean in statistical language. The formula to find out arithmetic mean is mean x bar is equal to summation of fi into xi divided by n. Practice set 11.1. First question. The following table shows the number of sapling planted by 30 students. Fill in the boxes and find the average number of sapling planted by each student. We have already one table, number of sapling, that is xi, number of student, that is frequency, that is denoted by fi, and the multiplication of fi into xi. We have to find out the multiplication of these two columns. These two columns means what? Number of students and number of sapling. We have to calculate the multiplication of these two numbers. Number of saplings we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and number of students 4, 6, 12 and 8. Now we have to calculate the multiplication of number of student and number of sapling, that is fi into xi. 4 into 1 is 4. 2 into 6 is equal to what? 12. 2 into 6 is what? 12. 12 into 3, 36. 12 3 is a 36. 8 4 is a 32. 8 4 is a what? 32. Now we have to find out the value of n. What we have to find out? Value of n. Value of n means what? The total frequency. N means what? The total frequency is denoted by n. Means we have to add all that frequencies, means 4 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8. 4 plus 6 10 plus 12 22 plus 8 30. Therefore n is equal to what? 30. The number of students are 30. And here summation of fi into xi. Summation, this sign is known as sigma, and this is used to sum of all that fi into xi. This sign is used for sum of fi into xi. Now we have to add fi into xi, means 4 plus 12 plus 36 plus 32. We have to add all that 4 number, 4 plus 12 plus 36 plus 32, and addition of all these 4 number is 84. If we add all these number, the addition will be what? 84. Now the table is completed. Now we have to find out another, that is mean. What we have to calculate? The mean of the sapling or planted by each student. The formula for mean is denoted by x bar. The signature or the sign for mean is what? X bar. And the formula for finding mean is what? Summation of, this sign is known as summation of fi into xi. The summation of fi into xi divided by n. Means we have to find out the mean. The summation of fi into xi is what? 84 divided by n. The value of n is what? 30. The value of n is what? 30. We divide 84 by 30 and the answer will be 2.8. The answer will be what? 2.8. The division of 84 divided by 30 is what? 2.8. The average number of trees planted are what? 2.8. This is the answer of the, or this is the average number of trees planted. Third question. The number of members in 40 families in Bhilar are as follows. We have the number of members in each family, and the number of total families are what? 40. We have some numbers given below. Prepare a frequency table and find the mean of member of 40th family. Now we have to find out, or we have to prepare the frequency table, and we find out the mean of that family, 40 families. Now the lowest number is what? 1, and the highest number is what? 7. Therefore number of family members we take as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Means in between, all the family numbers are in between 1 to 7. Therefore we take as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The smallest number is 1 and highest number is what? 7. Therefore we write down the number. Now we have to find out the number of families. Now one number, now we find out the number of families. First 1, calculate 1, 2, 2. Total number of families are what? 2, who are having one family members. Now the family is having 2 family members. The family is having how many family number? 2 family number. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The number of families having how many families having 2 family member? 8 families. Therefore we write here 8. Now we have to calculate the number of families having 3 family numbers. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The total families are what? 7 families having 3 family members. Now we have to find out the families having 4 family members. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 families having how many family members? 4 family members. Therefore we write here number of families are 8. Now we have to find out the families having 5 family members. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many families are there? Total 7 families having 5 family member. Now we have to find out families having 6 family member. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many families are there? 6 families having 6 family member. Now we have to find out families having 7 family member. 1, 2. Now how many families are there? Only 2 families are there, which are who are having how many members are there in this family? 7. Now we have to find out Fi into Xi, means we have to multiply the number of families into family members. Now here 1 into 2 is equal to what? 2. 1 into 2 is what? 2. 2 8s are 16. 7 3s are 21. 8 4s are 32. 7 5s are 35. 6 6s are 36. And 7 2s are 40. 7 2s are what? 40. Now what we have to calculate here? We have to calculate the n. N means what? Frequency, total number of families. If we add all these families, the addition will be what? 40. The addition will be what? 40. And summation of Fi into Xi. means addition of 2 plus 16 plus 21 plus 32 plus 35 plus 36 plus 14 is equal to 156. The addition will be what? 156. The number of families means frequency n is equal to what? 40, and fi into xi is equal to what? 156. Now we have to calculate the mean. What we have to calculate? The mean is denoted by x bar. The mean is denoted by x bar, and the formula to find out mean is equal to what? Summation of fi xi divided by n. This is the formula to find out mean. The summation of fi into xi is what? 156 divided by 40. 156 divided by 40. The answer will be what? 3.9. The answer will be what? 3.5. Means the mean of members of 40 family is what? 3.9. The last answer will be 3.9. 3.9 is what? X bar means what? Mean of that 40 families.